Universally, we are all drawn to the beauty of nature, an undescribable force that draws us to the wild. She amazes us with her power. She cleanses our soul. We chase sunsets, gaze the stars, wait in anticipation of first light.
Like the Little Mermaid, I lose my legs in the water. A magical world swallows me in as I glide on the tide. Time stands still, the ocean comes to life. Down here, my disability does not hold me back. My heart can't live without this magical place.
Did you get this all on video? Hello!
I'm the councillor for Kleinmond, so I'm the link between the community and the municipality. Kleinmond's always had a reputation for being for the outdoors and for adventurers, but it's so much more than that. It's accessible for everybody. We've got so many special places here in Kleinmond, and I don't want it to be for specific people only. I think we've got to make all of our places as accessible as possible for as many people as possible. I mean, we've got nooks and crannies which, I want old people to get to, I want young people to get to, I want people in wheelchairs to get to. So we've got to make it as accessible as possible because this magic here, it's got to be seen by everybody.
Even after 2 knee surgeries, it's liberating that I'm still able to explore this beautiful landscape.
When you look at my child and you see the wheelchair, I want you to look a little deeper. I want you to see the little girl who wants to get out and explore, and who wants to play, and who wants to learn.
Nature calls everyone, despite their abilities.